News, life, and beyond. News, life, and beyond. News, life, and beyond. New podcast, it's time you tap into it. Real life interviews, focus on your businesses. No propaganda or gimmicks, just two dawns. Steve J and Adam A. News, life, and beyond. News, life, and beyond. News, life, and beyond. News, life, and beyond.
They ask you questions, give them answers. You on the show to spill the truth, no need to lie, cause you wanna look cool, be authentic. If you ran the streets, tell the story how it really went, because somebody like me might know how it really went. Steve J, Adam A, Rose City vets, Shotgun Big A, if you know the rest. It's more than a podcast and people letting out stress. It's even more better, we be sharing our success. Real life, real people, real discussions. No gimmicks, no made up subjects. It's up to you to maintain a real discussion. Are you real or are you fake or are you bugging? Yeah, news, life, and beyond. Yeah, we taking you beyond. Listen, everybody saying something. News, life, and beyond. Put Barrio on a song, cause I'm really trying to tell you something.
That's the crazy thing about surviving. You're talking to yourself and fucking lying. Stop lying, get right, and leave it all behind till you die. That's the crazy thing about surviving.
When you show up to the podcast, make sure your story's straight. Don't be lying on the podcast, because News, Life, and Beyond will set the tone up on your podcast. So speak about the truth when you invited to the podcast. Yeah, hold that line, get you laughed at, or even worse than that, walk the streets and get you clapped at. And it's really not worth it, so really, where the math at? It's not adding up, it's only becoming a backlash. Everybody the toughest in their history is speaking, but News, Life, and Beyond ain't believing when you're reaching. Almost everybody preaching when you really should be teaching, and recognizing the people that just be.